Hey guys, this is Nihal, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can accept payments in Paytm without exposing your phone number. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's just get started.
It's my
So in this video we're going to do something like you're going to get a payment from any customer or any guy, and you're not going to share your phone number. And it's not like you're going to give him the QR code, because if you give the QR code to a guy or a girl, if he pays via that QR code, after the payment it says like rupees 500 sent to dash 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 number. It exposes your number there when you take the payment. So in this trick I'm going to show you a way from which you don't expose any kind of phone number of yours, and trust me, no QR code is involved in this trick. So first of all, you have to go into the browser and type Anon Pay. So this is the website, anonpay.com. Press enter and the site will load up. So I'm gonna pause here and I'm gonna show you something. So this was a video I recently uploaded July 6, 2019. So this video was up for just 2 days and some 14-15 hours. It was a very good video. Everyone was liking it. I was receiving so many comments about make another video about same like that and all shit. But if you can see, this video has been rejected. I mean, like, why does YouTube do this to me? Never mind, there are like 1,000 videos similar to this in the YouTube, and they're not getting banned or something like that, rejected. Never mind. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon over here. Make this red button gray. So back into the trick. Let's go on this site, and here all you have to do is just type your email and your phone number, which is linked to the Paytm number, your Paytm wallet. Okay, so after that you have to create amount to receive, like I personally sell Netflix accounts, so my payment is 100 rupees for example. So I will put the 100 here and I will click on this and submit. For this example, let's try 10 rupees. Simple. Click on I'm not a robot and press submit. Okay, so your link has been created, which means from this link you have to pay 10 rupees. So you just copy this link and paste it to the merchant or the guy, wherever you want to put it. Like for example, let's paste it over here and press enter. So example, this is the guy over here has to pay you some money. So I'm gonna switch onto my mobile to show you what exactly happens. Okay, you can do this thing from mobile also. I'm just showing from PC for just sake of my own. So you can do this from your phone too. You just need to log into this website from your Chrome or something. Now let's get into the phone. So as you can see, we're here. When the merchant will click on this link, the guy will click on this link, it will show him like pay via Paytm to this website. Okay, so you have to log into your Paytm account first. Okay, and it will give you the OTP obviously. So here you go, you got the pin 302410. 302410. Just verify, and yeah, you can see pay 10. I'm just paying 10. Payment is successful. So the part of the customer or the merchant is done. Nothing else he has to do. So from here, now let's get back to the PC or that website. Okay, so we're here back. So as you can see, the payment is done by the customer. Now you have to get the payment. Okay, so all you have to do is you can just copy this link again if you like, cut it or he will pay after 2-3 days. You just need to copy this link and get worker status. Okay, received your payment, worker on their way. In case you have any problem, we are here 24/7. So it says they have received the payment. It's like a two-way transaction. First, the merchant, your customer, pays to this website, then a guy from this website pays to your mobile number. That's simple. So they're not exposing your number. This is the trick. So when you get the worker status, it says notify worker for faster payment. Just click on this and they will do the work faster. So after this step, all you have to do is just wait for the payment. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, or probably if the server is so busy, it will take more than 20 minutes to 30 minutes. That's it, not more than that. So I'll show you again after on my phone. Hold on there. So for this video, I have used my own Paytm to get into my own Paytm. So you can see I had 50 rupees in this account, in this wallet. So it says paid for order at with escrow.com. So it is that same thing which we did on AnonPay earlier. Now when we receive payment, you might be seeing the 10 rupees addition here, or maybe the addition will be directly in your bank account from UPI. That depends directly upon the website. So all you have to do is just wait for some time, maybe 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, I don't know, it's random. Okay, so money received from Vikas, 10. That's it, it's done. So my closing balance is 50, but this balance is directly transferred to my UPI, I guess. No, it's in the wallet. So just refresh it, you can see my payment is back. So that's it, that's the trick. You just have to use the AnonPay website to create the link, and after that creation, all you have to do is send the link to the merchant. Okay, when he receives it, he has to pay it from his debit card, credit card, net banking, Paytm, or any other wallet, and then you will receive it in your Paytm wallet without exposing your phone number or your QR code. So I hope you like this video. That's it for the video. Share, subscribe, and please like the video. See ya.